Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 Blue Metallic Ford Transit Connect with one of our Mini-T conversions. On the roof you find solar, over-the-air antenna, max air fan which is reversible. This vehicle has the rear lift gate. It also has a hitch, shore power plug and cord. The vehicle has cloth seats, navigation, blind spot indicators in the mirror. Inside you find a TV, DVD player, refrigerator, which is thermostatically controlled. You could also set it down to 0 to be a freezer. LED lighting, sink, 2000 watt inverter, dual house batteries. Here it is in the bed position, which is 43 by 72 inches. It also has the mid-vehicle airline storage and some storage in the front. Comes with a fabric curtain, also WeatherTech sunshades. The liftgate works great as an awning, or you can add an optional awning. You have a sink, fresh water and gray water. The microwave can be used if you're plugged in or if you're not. Our Ford Transit Connect Mini-T conversions also come with a foldable portable toilet. The bed is easily converted into a comfortable couch. You can check out our full details on our website, DLM-Distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!